Jesus is good here. Oh. She's so pretty.
Hey guys, this is Mark with Golden Crest Retrievers. Today I'm going to show you how we do our early neurological stimulation for our puppies. It's basically a couple of minor stresses for the puppies. We do about 5 seconds of each one, and yeah, it just kind of helps them learn how to deal with stress. They're all sleeping right now, but we'll disturb them. These are about 2 weeks old. We do this from when they're about 3 days old to 2 weeks and 3 days old. So we hold them upright for 5 seconds, and then on their back, and then actually upside down for 5 seconds. And then this is a cold rag, so this thermal stimulation. It stresses them a little bit to put them on there. So do that for 5 seconds as well. And then we tickle each of their feet, kind of get in between the pads, and I don't know, that's a very sensitive area, and yeah, it's just a couple of minor stresses to help them learn that they can handle stress. Helps them learn that they can recover from stressful situations. And these are all pretty calm. Sometimes you get a puppy that doesn't really like it, but these all seem to do pretty well. Good girl.
Oh, she matches her mom.
She matches her mom, yeah, she does.
Oh, she's so cute. She's big. Oh. Mom.
Yeah, they all kind of look a lot like their mom. They also look like their dad. Their dad is George.
No.
Something that we've noticed, personally noticed, that this early neurological stimulation does for the puppies. We haven't always done it. Right when we were first starting, we didn't do it on our first couple of litters. And it really seems like it helps them to relax when they get older, like when you hold them. Like we noticed the difference in when they get older, like 8 weeks old or 10 weeks old, something like that. They tend to squirm more if we didn't do this, or that's been our experience anyway. We just really think it makes a big difference on how they handle stress, how they recover from something that stresses them out. Yeah, just overall, I mean, it helps their heart, I'm told, and there's just a lot of benefits to it. Some that I didn't mention, and some that I don't remember, but I've read it, and there's a lot of good that comes from doing this. So that's what we do from birth till 2 weeks old, and then going forward we'll do some other stimulation with noises and surfaces and stuff. But yeah, hopefully that helps you guys to see what we do for the first couple weeks of life. Other than that, they mostly sleep and nurse. If mom goes in there, they nurse, and and do a lot of sleeping.